Oh, oh, we've gone. Sorry, Foots. Trying to do a swap. No. Yes, I know. You keep getting peculated, so we're a bit nervous. Yeah, Fluffy used to just arrive when everything was quiet at various points. Geez, some for later on. See, if you're nice, Juvie, you get some. Hi, miss. Or you got a swapsicle. Yeah. Yeah, come up. You coming up? What you doing? What you doing? Bugsy. Is you, Bugs? Come on, Bugsy. Come on, Bugsy. Come on, Juvie Birbs. Fluffy. Which fluff are you? Original fluff. Bugsy. Fluffy. Original fluff. Bugsy. Bugsy. Fluffy. Fluffy Bugsy. Fluffy. Bugsy. Bugsy. Bugsy Bugs. Fluffy. Oh, Bugsy. Your Bugsulator broke. Rah. Hi. Oh, yes, Bugs. Oh, windy. Oh, danger, Birbs. Danger, Birbs. Hey, Birbskis. Hello, Birbskis. Oh. Bugsy. Bugsy. Fluffy. Wrap around Birbs. Yeah, Fluffy, thank you. Excuse me, what's going on down here? Ah, we're just picking up scraps, okay. Yes, Fluff. What a shame. Footsie twice for a very short time. But the original. Oh, excuse me, Juvies. Hi, come on. Hello, Cecil B, all fluffed up. Bugsy. Fluffy. 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 Oh, we're having a discussion with the lorikeet. Okay. Fluffy. Bugsy. Fluffy. Fluffy. Yeah. You squawking with your mouth full there. What you doing? What you doing, Juvie Birbs? We're going to train you gradually. We're going to train you gradually. Yes, we are. Come on, Bugs. Fluffy. Juvie. You're going to call you Juvie, I think. Bugsy. No. Juvie Birbs. Juvie Birbs. Yeah, we'll get there. You've had your grab a bird. Hey, poopsicles on a whoopsicle. Yeah, what you doing? Come on. Oh, Fluffy, other Fluffy. Bugsy, Bugsy. Hey, excuse me, Juvie Bird. No, that doesn't get you seed. You just got to do something nice. You got to do something nice. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Come on. Come on. Beautiful Birbs. Hello on the tripod. See if you behave. Then we do the rounds. Hey, yeah. Yes, Bugs. swap one juvie for another. Hi, come on. On the tripod, come on. You gotta be quick, you weren't quick enough. Oh yes. Bugsy. We're gonna learn to come up here. Fluffy. No. Come on, come on. Bugs. Fluffy. 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 Bugsy. Busy beaks. Hi. Hello. Here we go. Oh, head Birbs. Oh, now you've gone. That's a swapper burb. Hello, swapper burb. Gain a burb. Lose a burb. Juvie Birbs. Oh, you're getting the scraps. Hi, Bugsy. Yes. Other juvie. You two juvies. No. You gotta be nice. You be nice. Yeah, you can have a banana. Hi. Come on. You observe. Juvie Birbs. When you observe, what you yes, we get a sneaky we get a sneaky tickles in. We do. You got a dirty tail, Juvie Birb. Turkey Meister's running. Come on, Miss Bird. Hello, Bella. Come on, Bella. Bella Bird. Bella Birbie. Jim Bird's lost it more than usual. Lost the plot long ago. Oop. Yes. Cecil B. Overlooker. Hi. Expeculator. Yums. Bella Bird. Bella? Come on, Bella. You want some more as well? No, we're going to sit. Okay. Hey. Oh, you almost popsicled on someone. Oh. Yes, you're going to come up? Hey. Got to watch the juvies with the pecorations. They gradually learn that pecking doesn't get you seed. So you've got 4 juvies in a row here. Newly out of nest Birbs. Hey. And then we get the upper echelons. Look at the looks on you. You're going to be a nice Birb? You're going to be a nice Birb if I give you that? No, you can't be greedy. You can't be greedy. No. You ask. Yes, Turkey. Hi. When you ask, you get. Hey. Oh, grab the cap. Grab the cap. Yo. You want some more? No, that doesn't work. Bugsy. Now, who's going to ask? You going to say anything? You going to ask? Yes, you're wondering what's going on. We're going to fluffy chops, though. You're going to do a fluffy chops. At least you're happy bird, Juvie. Yeah. You're just looking at me going, I don't understand what you're saying. If I sit here... Bugsy! Bugsy! Juvie, you can't be cheeky Birbs. Bob in the bucket. Juvie bird. Juvie. Oh, all the poopsicles on the tripod. I'll be washing that off to be able to move it. We've been whoopsying and poopsying. Right, GB Birbs. Bugsy, Bugsy, Bugsy. Haven't seen Speedy around, but there is little turkeys, so they just grow so fast though. There's more, yeah, there's 2 baby-ish or young-ish turkeys here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're at about 13 or 14. I know, and there's 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, still about 12 or 13. Go the Maggies. Whoop. Yes, Pecky. 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 Gotcha. More scare tactics there. We go grab the tail. Yeah, I know. We grab the tail feathers. Yo, you gonna come up? Bugsy, you gonna learn to come up? Look, no, 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 no. No peckies, no. 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 Bugsy, we're going to train ya. Yes, Fluffy Chops. We're going to train you to step up. Look at your tail. You've been dipping it in mud. You must be a late one out of the nest, I reckon. Yep, come on. No pecks. You learn. No. Bugsy. 2 Cecil bees. Hi. Yes, Bugs. Oh, it's getting a bit down, is it, in good stuff? Beep, beep. Oh, direct shot because you took off at the wrong moment. Bugsy. Oh, Bugsy. Oh, Bugsy. Excuse me. Bugsy. Oh, Bob's debucketed. What are you doing? Hey? What you doing? What you doing, GB Birbs? Double Juvies. Double Juvies. Hi. Hi, Miss Birb. I'm surrounded. Hi. Yo. GB Birbs. Hello. Got the non-Juvies at the top. Hi.